Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. In this super quick tutorial, I'm just going to dive and give you an overview of the LSP Femme presets for Evoto. The whole point of Evoto is it's meant to be a super fast AI enhanced editing software, which means there's no real hand editing involved. Hand editing is still the gold standard when you're editing, your images in Photoshop, but the AI technology is actually amazing. So this image up on my screen is a raw file, as you can see here. It's an RAF file. This is by Charlie Kaufman at Quick Click Backdrops. Amazing backdrop, of course, amazing light, as you would expect from Charlie. So I'm just going to dive in with the presets. You can watch the video, the main longer video tutorial, which I go through everything, how you can have your Evoto set up, making sure real-time color is off, what you need to do with your first steps that you apply in literally half a second to make sure these presets are going to work great for you. Or we could try one of the all-in-ones for this. The all-in-ones literally will change every element of your image. For example, this is a model image, and we're not in the maternity section at the moment, even though these are amazing for maternity. We're shooting a model. So how about we go editorial min? This is just changing everything. Look at that. Before, after, and that's one click. That would not be one click in Evoto. I mean, it wouldn't be many clicks in Evoto when you know exactly which sliders are your best sliders to use. But it's one click in the LSP Femme preset. Just one click. Let me just undo that. Now let's go through and do a little bit more of a build-up edit using the LSPs. So we're going to go for one of the bases first. I really like fashion and editorial. It just did it perfectly for this image. And please excuse my voice. I've got Phoebe from Friends, sticky shoes going on here right now. So how about we go for the lemon sky base for this one? And that's not edited skin, that's edited the image. Edited the base of your image. It's up to you to sort your white balance and exposure out. For this, I'm just going to bring the highlights down a little bit because obviously the dress is very bright. So we just brought those highlights down just a touch. It's finding the balance between retaining the detail on the dress and making sure the face is bright enough. Of course, in Photoshop, you could edit these areas separately, but we're in Evoto and we're doing an Evoto edit. Now we're in the portrait retouch section. So how about we go for skin gentle? This is working on Evoto's blemish removal section here right now if you need to change anything. So you can see there before and after. I've created the perfect kind of LSP blend within Evoto for you to be able to use in one click. So you don't have to go and be, checking the sliders. And now we're into the skin retouch section. I'm just going to retouch light because our skin's already amazingly perfect as it is. Just a little light. You can see it's balanced out some of those tones. We have some greyness on the neck originally, some discoloration. It's sorted out a little around the eyes and the nose. Provided a beautiful, beautiful finish. So teeth and eyes, you can use these if you wanted to whiten the teeth. For example, if teeth were yellow, they're not in this image. Or if you needed to bring more brightness to the eyes, you can use these. I really don't think we need to in this image, but I've just clicked 50% there. It's just given us a little bit more pizzazz for a model edit, an editorial edit. Now we're into makeup. We have natural daytime full face glamour hair and makeup artist. How about a little bit of just daytime makeup? This is just going to add a little boost. And you can see there we've just applied a little makeup and boosted what's already there. But instead of going into the Evoto sliders, we just click to preset, the LSP presets. Hair salon. You go gentle, tidy, boost and fix, or a complete. So let's have a boost and fix. That's going to add a little volume to the top of the hair. And it's just going to fix around these edges here. So we see there before and after. Really gentle. We've also filled in the part line a little bit there, just to add that beautiful finish. A dress, this is for wrinkled clothing and dresses, so you have a gentle fix and a full fix. Get a gentle fix to this one, and that's just going to help a little bit with these wrinkles, but we don't want to lose anything here. So if I hit full fix, it's when you've got a pattern dress. Just keep an eye out for the details with everything in Evoto, presets or manual. You're going to want to be able to zoom in and make sure that everything's okay. So that has actually brought a lot of detail back to the dress as well. Beautiful. And now we're into body mods. Body mods are only there really, I would say, ethically if you're shooting for something like fashion with like a hide model, or your shooting angle isn't necessarily as flattering to your subject as it could be. So tweaker, these are very suited for maternity, but you can see it's just tweaked her shape just a touch, just a little bit. Tall and elegant, liquefy and grace. Definitely better suited for maternity or if you really want to highlight and accentuate those curves. But you can, tweak the body if you want to in the portrait retouching section, all the way down here on full body reshape. Again, still not quite there compared to Photoshop's liquefy, but it's an amazing one-click option. And then we have the finishing touches. Sophia Finish adds a little bit of contrast in your download. If you get these presets and in the PDF, it tells you what each of these finishes do, but really they're different on every image. You can go by and find your favorites. So Sophia Finish has just added a beautiful soft contrast there, and you can play with the intensity of these finishes, the same as the bases. For example, if I was to turn it all up, you're going to see that contrast really pop in a little bit more. You see? Very gentle, but there it was. So there we have before and after. Before and after. Before and after. Now, I'm going to reset this, reset this whole image and start over, and I'm going to show you just how quick it is just to race through this, because obviously that took a few minutes because I was talking through it. We're just going to base through the adjustments. So if you wanted one click for this type of image, I recommend editorial. So I've literally clicked once and that's done. Before and after in 1 second. Or we can go through and adjust each section using a complete combination. Let's see how quick we can do it. The base was lemon sky. The skin we went was gentle. You're going to find when you get used to these, you will be able to edit just as quick as I'm editing right now. See, it is literally this quick. And we're done. Bam, 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 bam. How long did that take? 15 seconds maybe? I wasn't timing it, but very, very quick. And we've made our own combination using the presets here. Super quick. And you can watch the other tutorials when it comes to using LSP and Evoto. You can also find plenty of Evoto tutorials online as well. The LSP presets that I've designed are designed to make your Evoto even quicker, because that is the whole point of Evoto, is quick. You don't want to get weighed down with tweaking a little bit here, trying a little bit of that. You can use these combinations, hit them all in, and do a bit of tweaking afterwards if you want to. The only thing I recommend, and I'll always recommend, is zoom in at 100%. And just check around the edges, make sure that you're happy. Make sure Evoto hasn't taken away any distinguishing features, anything strange, because it is still an infant AI software. Absolutely amazing, the best AI software out there. But you just want to make sure, and I've done my absolute best with these presets to make sure they're going to work, as properly as possible, but they are at the mercy of AI's technology. So I hope you love them. I can't wait to see what you create with these. Do tag me because I'd love to see. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching. And thank you, Charlie, for this amazing image.